Oopsie doodle. Heard about these on an episode of Columbo. He was on a ship. On a cruise, and the ship was built in Norway or whatever. I think it's Norway. If it wasn't, I apologize to you. The country of origin of Ving locks, which don't exist anymore, but Ving I think still does, and Ving card, which I think is access control. I think that's spawned from the same company. I don't know. But this lock, I think it became Ving in 1971 or so. I don't know what to do with this. Does this thing come off? A little slot there. This is one of those times when I probably should have tried to take it apart beforehand to see what was going on. Oh, I see. Okay. Alright, and this looks pretty, I'm not used to this thing yet. Oh boy. Is that too big? Shims are back on the menu. I really need to shim that guy. Something. There's got to be trampoline pins in here. Somebody told me it was trampoline pins. It feels like trampoline pins, so I'm pretty sure we're going to find a bunch of trampoline pins. Nice and easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh. This is a Ving key. Norway. Yeah, there we go. Norway. Sorry. My gosh, did I say Finland earlier? What a goon. Alright, anyway. Looks like this thing's capable of holding 7 pins, but my key here wouldn't do it. I think this is... Yeah, maybe I could put something on the tip there. I don't think I want to push my luck, though. No, with an old... What did you call that? Vintage lock like this guy. Nope. Given that I saw it on an episode of Columbo, you know, obviously it's got a remarkable and special meaning. Who doesn't love Columbo? Oopsie doodle. Alrighty. Yup, there we have it. Trampoline pin. Kinda looks new. Looks like a newer pin. So I don't know if these pins are original. Just in fantastic shape. Might have been repinned. I think they originally came with trampoline pins. I could be totally off base. That was my understanding, though. Or maybe that's just what Ving has been doing, and it's been repinned as a Ving. I don't know enough about original Ving locks to know. Anyway, I think this is a neat little lock. And these trampoline pins are no joke. You'd think they wouldn't be harder than spools, but with the trampoline pins, you just gotta pick them over and over and over again, because they like to reset each other. Come here. Come here. It's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. There we go. Ah, da 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 da. Nothing super duper special in there. Let's get the old lighted follower and take a peek. Right, nothing super special there. Nothing super special there other than it being a 7-pin core. And an oval cylinder, which is popular in Norway. Yeah. Alright. So, there it is. Oh, wait. I'm not going to do that again. Look at these pins. These pins are amazing. These nice little pins. I think these have to be new pins. These. Get another really great look at those. Trampoline pins. When you get over the little bulge in the middle, it likes to drop other things. So you set one, you set another one, it drops the first one, and on and on and on and on. So anyway, there it is.